Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to solve for x, and we have this equation. So it is a fourth degree equation, so it is easy. This one not really hard. As you can see, I have x to the power 4, so we can write as x square and raised to square minus 2x square plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so now you can see that we have x. Okay, let's give a look here. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab and then plus b square, which is can be written as a minus b raised to square. So then we can write x square and then minus 1 raised to square equal to 0. Okay, so then we will get x square minus 1 equal to 0. Next we will get x square equal to 1, and then x will be equal to plus or minus square root of 1, which is equal to 1. So then finally we have solved this question, and I hope you can understand, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.